There are calls from the parliamentary opposition for a shake-up at the state-run Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC. It follows 2 security breaches in less than a month and recurring financial losses. Speaking with TVJ News, opposition spokesman on transport Michael Phillips noted that despite receiving several subventions from the government, the entity continues to record losses. He's calling for an audit of the JUTC, arguing that taxpayers deserve better for the nearly $6 billion spent on the company each year.
We are seeing where the fare boxes is about 15% less than it was last year. And my question to the Minister of Finance at the Standing Finance Committee meeting on Tuesday is to find out if the Ministry of Finance and the government has a plan moving forward for the JUTC, as we are seeing grave deficiencies in the operation of the JUTC over the last couple of years.
And Mr. Phillips is also calling for dismissals at the JUTC following reports that a former employee who removed a bus from one of the company's depots last month tried to drive away a second bus yesterday in downtown Kingston. The man drove away the bus from one of the company's depots on December 23 last year, and on Saturday morning attempted to drive away another bus in South Parade, downtown Kingston. The man was taken into police custody, but Mr. Phillips says the incidents raised serious security concerns.
It should not happen a second time, and it shows that there is a lack of the security aspects at the gates of the JUTC itself, or monitoring what is coming in from what would be leaving the depots. And, you know, the management of the depots that these breaches have occurred should be fired. I think that the management of JUTC also needs to take a great look at who it is that they're employing and take some responsibility for what is happening at the depots also.